How to make scrolling timeline animation in CapCut PC. First, open the text tab and create a new text to the timeline. Make your text about 2 seconds long. Edit the text to the years you want to use in your effect. Change the font and size to your preference. Toggle on the position keyframe of the text in the Basic tab and adjust the first year line to the center of the screen. Drag the timeline cursor to the end of the timeline and adjust the last year line to the center of the screen. Right-click on the clip and select Show Keyframe Animation. Select Y right, select Graph, then follow as I do. Right-click on the text and select Create Compound Clip. Go to the Mask tab from the right side. Select Rectangle Shape and try to crop out as much space as you can from the text in the center. And set the feather to 15. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can make scrolling timeline animation in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.